has enough clearance so it's not pushing that button into my brain on the top of the hat. So let's talk about a couple of the key features and how they work for me. So the key thing is, number one, the electronic aspect of it, right? It is so important for you to have situational awareness, right? So these actually amplify those low tones, those low noises. So if you want to have a conversation with somebody, be able to hear something going on in the background, you can hear that. But when there are those shock loud noises, you know, in certain places they have big shock loud noises. But if somebody's got a hammer or all of a sudden starts a motor or all those kind of things, that's when it's going to turn on and provide that hearing protection for you, which is an absolute plus. For me, if I'm going to spend a long time in this, I don't know, I've gotten into this listening to podcast things. It's so good, you learn so much, but what a nice feature that you can have that ear protection, be working out here in the shop or whatever it is, and still be able to listen to your favorite podcast or Metallica or some other cool tunes that you want to listen to while you're working. Connecting was super easy. It's Bluetooth 5.1, which is broadly accepted by pretty much everything, and it really just basically worked well. Comfort is an important thing. So here's one of the things which I found was important. I don't know if you're like me. You see I'm wearing a hat now. I wear a hat a lot, and I can comfortably put them on with the hat on. Now, my key threshold, you may know what I'm talking about, is this still has enough clearance so it's not pushing that button into my brain on the top of the hat. So I found them really comfortable. Padding feels good. It's been comfortable. I think the one drawback would be that NRR rating of 23 decibels, which is fine for, you know, your basic construction site and outdoor range, all those kind of things. But if it's constant loud noises and indoor range, that kind of stuff, I don't know that this would exactly be adequate. I might go for something a little more heavy duty, a little more suppression of the sound. But I think for 99% of us, this is an absolutely phenomenal answer. If you want to get a set of these for yourself, there's a link right here on the screen or in the description down below. There's a link. It helps out the channel a little bit. Please use that. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It just gives us a little boost so we could do some more stuff for you while you're down there. Like, subscribe, and put in a comment. What are you going to use these for? Curious. We all got all kinds of crazy things. I wish I had these when I was racing cars professionally and I'm working on the cars at all hours of the night. This would have been awesome. Probably wouldn't need my hearing aids now, but I do. In any case, I hope this video is helpful. We'll see you next time.